Hey guys, it's Normal here, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'll be reviewing a money making app called Mistplay. With this app, you simply download and play games to earn coins, which you will then use to convert to various types of gift cards. This app is available on the Google Play Store, but unfortunately not on the App Store. So if you want to make money by using apps on the App Store, check out my other videos in the description below. And if you want to learn how to make money by only using your phone in the comfort of your home, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell to get notified whenever I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So yes guys, on this app you need to earn a special currency called units in order to obtain gift cards. You can earn these units by just simply installing and playing the games on the app. So as you can see, there are various games such as World Series Poker, World Chef, and also a card game called Teppen. And on some days, different game will also appear for you to play. So at the bottom right corner of each game, you can see two headers which are units and PXP, which stand for players experience. The levels that you can see will tell you how much or how fast you will receive units and PXP. So at the bottom of the app, you will notice there are 5 sections. You have the game section, which we are currently on, the chat section, the shop section, and also the bonus and profile section. So let's move to the chat section. Here is where you can find your friends and talk with them within the app. You can just simply find me by typing in my username Norman088. At the shop section is where you can buy different characters, and down below you have the gift card. So you have iTunes gift card, Starbucks gift card, Amazon gift card. So let's move to the bonus section. Here is where you can complete simple goals or enter contests, and you can also invite friends in this section to earn a little extra units, or as it says, bonus units. So yes guys, I'll be leaving my invitation link down below, and when you input my invitation link, you will receive an instant 100 units at the start of using this app. So yes guys, let's move to the last section, which is the profile section. So yes guys, here is where you can see your profile and everything and all your progress while using this app. And you can also edit your profile. So yes guys, all you have to do is just simply install and play the games and earn units, which you can then use to convert into gift cards. So yes guys, if you like to make money and want to know how to make money by just simply using your phone, just simply start by subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.